Looks like we're going hot here soon, so course workers, get out to your assignment. Looks like we're getting ready to do fourth heat. It's not even 1 o'clock yet, so there goes the first car in first heat, 71 CSM, beautiful Mustang. Okay, helmets. If you have a helmet and you have your license, please bring the helmet back. An important call. If you have a helmet and you're not using it right now in this heat, we need that helmet back and we'll give you your license. Mustang with a 32.778. Beautiful Mustang GT. And Reed Henley in the Corvette with a 28.470. 28.470 for Reed. That beautiful Corvette.
27.4. He was supposed to come my way. That would have been a little sketchy. That's why I was moving behind the pillar.
Nice job for Reed Henley with a 28.4.
Thing was moving.
In this heat.
Oh, here comes this McLaren.
Looks like we have a papaya orange McLaren at the line. Coming to the line, papaya. Let's see what he can do in that beautiful. Is that a 720S? Yeah. 720S at the line. I see a novice. Taylor Whitaker in the M4 with the 37.419 and off course for the tip.
He got lost too. It's a tight turn right here that they don't see. I think they keep missing it. It was confusing them. They kept missing this turn. I didn't pick the best time to run over, but I figured I'd go for it.
Really good tires or no power, because I would have thought around that last one, telling them would have come around. But... The option was that with the Bremros now? Huh? He had Bremros, he had like 4 pop brakes on the front. Actually cursed. Being like literally just in the middle of the solid.
Dude, when that white, what was it, the white BMW, when that thing was coming in hot, I was thinking, oh, I figured I might have to get behind that pillar, because he's coming in hot if he's going to make that turn. Yeah, he did. He went in between 8 DST, it looks like.
Number 8 DST off course.
Oh no. Dude, no. You better get it. You're learning it, yeah. Smart. Good job. You guys see the little like GoPro, the orange one? Yeah. The black one?
We would have caught up to him just about. Yeah. And you. That was so smooth. Wow.
Can you clarify that? So that was 2 Smog, gets a rerun?